Experiencing charging problems with your 2021 Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. Many owners have faced issues with the charge port, cables, and communication between the car, charger, and cable. These problems often show up as charging failures or error messages like charging equipment not recognized. As of 2025, Tesla has addressed many of these issues through software updates, recalls, and hardware improvements. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing these common problems. The 2021 Tesla Model Y uses a CCS port for both Level 2 and DC fast charging. This combined charging system combines AC and DC charging in one connector. The vehicle employs a proprietary system that relies on specific communication protocols to ensure safe and efficient charging. The charge port itself features a mechanical latch that securely holds the cable in place during charging. It also includes sensors that monitor voltage and current levels to ensure proper charging operation. Failures in the charging system can occur due to corrosion buildup, accumulated debris, or wear on the mechanical latch. These issues may lead to cable disconnections or false not charging signals being sent to the vehicle. The charging ecosystem uses CAN bus protocols for communication between the vehicle, the charging cable, and the charger station. This network ensures proper handshake and data exchange during the charging process. When your Tesla Model Y fails to charge, it might display specific error codes on the touchscreen or app. These codes are designed to help diagnose the problem quickly. One common code is EVP001, which indicates the charge port is not properly engaged. This often happens when the cable's latch isn't securely connected to the port. Another frequent error is SCOM-R, which points to a communication failure between the charging cable and the charger. This could be due to incompatible equipment or a software mismatch. Understanding these error codes can help you identify whether the issue is with the physical connection or the communication system, making troubleshooting much more effective. Start by checking the basics. Ensure the charging cable is fully inserted into both the car's charge port and the power outlet or charging station. Clean the charge port and cable connectors to remove any debris or corrosion. Try using a different charging cable or a different charging station to see if the issue persists. Sometimes a simple change can resolve the problem. Tesla has released several software updates to address charging issues in the 2021 Model Y. These updates include enhanced diagnostics for charge port communication, automatic error resetting, and improved compatibility with third-party CCS chargers. To ensure your Model Y is running the latest software, check for updates through the Tesla app or the car's touchscreen interface. According to forum data, owners report a 70% reduction in charging failures after installing these updates. If software updates don't resolve the charging issues, it's time to examine the hardware. Begin by inspecting the charge port for any visible damage or wear, such as corrosion, debris, or problems with the latch mechanism. Next, check the charge port cover for proper sealing. The cover should close securely to protect against moisture and debris, which could cause charging failures if compromised. Note that Tesla conducted a recall affecting over 10,000 Model Y vehicles, including 2021 models, due to faulty charge port covers that could overheat and potentially melt during fast charging sessions. Owners can get free replacements at authorized service centers. If hardware issues are suspected, contact Tesla service immediately for a professional inspection and potential replacement. The charge port is covered by an 8-year or 150,000-mile warranty. Avoid DIY repairs, which could void the warranty and pose safety risks. Advanced solutions for 2021 Model Y charging issues often come from the Tesla community. Forums like Tesla Motors Club provide valuable user experiences and creative workarounds that Tesla officially supports. A common community-recommended fix involves using a certified Tesla to CCS adapter combined with the latest firmware update. This adapter bridges communication between Tesla's proprietary system and standard CCS chargers, resolving many persistent COM error messages. Be mindful of power quality in your region. Variable grid conditions can cause surges that disrupt the delicate communication handshake between the vehicle, cable, and charger, leading to intermittent charging failures. For phantom errors where the car incorrectly detects charging faults, a simple reboot often clears the issue. This resets the vehicle's charging control systems and can resolve false positive error codes without requiring service intervention. Charging technology is rapidly evolving, with new solutions emerging to address common issues. Wireless charging systems are being tested to eliminate cable-related failures, creating a more seamless and reliable charging experience. AI-driven diagnostics are being integrated into newer Tesla models to predict and prevent charging problems before they occur, using machine learning to analyze patterns and provide proactive solutions. By 2030, experts predict a significant drop in physical charging failures due to global standardized protocols that ensure better compatibility between vehicles and charging infrastructure. For your 2021 Model Y, keep the software updated through over-the-air updates and perform regular maintenance to ensure optimal charging performance. Consult Tesla support or visit a service center for any persistent charging issues to maintain your vehicle's reliability and safety.